You guys, what is up? It's Alex. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Cog Soldier. So let's stay tuned. Okay, I'm just going to show you. Here is a picture of a couple Cog Soldiers. A Carmine's face back there. Ben Carmine's helmet back there. Ben Carmine's helmet here. Okay. Here's the front of the box. There's the Ben Carmine's mask, what they call it, Cog Soldier. Here's the side of Cog Soldier. Let's get to the unbox. Alright, here's a little biography. If you guys want to read it, it might be a little bit hard. But yeah, here's some series here's just some of them you can collect. Marcus, Drone, Dom, Palace Guard, Baird, Cyclops, Cole, and Cog Soldier. Here he is with the sniper, Lancer. Yeah, okay, let's do the unboxing. Sorry guys, I don't have a tripod, so it's a little bit hard. But yeah, I don't really care about the box all too much. But yeah, you can actually keep this if you want to. You can keep that and hang it if you really want to. Okay. Let me just get the rest of the box open. Okay, here's a zip tie here. You guys can always fast forward if you don't want me to do the twist, if you guys don't really want to watch me take it off. Yeah, that's not gonna work, guys. Can't use my knife won't open it. Surprisingly, they put a zip tie on the Lancer. So, here's the Lancer. It's kind of bent, but oh well. It's actually pretty cool. It's got blood there. Here's the Nasher. Let's get to the figure. Ah, that figure is nice. Okay. Swivels on the hand. Swivels right here. The arm goes up. The arm goes like that. Head moves. Body. Hold on. The body actually twists. Oops. Body twists. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard because I don't have a tripod. This moves. The feet move up and down. The knee swivels. The legs actually go up and down. So otherwise, this is a pretty cool figure. Hold on, I'm gonna put the gun on. Sorry guys, hold on. Putting the gun on. Here's the figure. It's a pretty cool figure, actually. They put some pretty good detail into the figure. He has a pouch. He has pouches right here. He has a pouch right here. It only comes with one peg hole, which is kind of stupid. Because some guys come with snub pistols. So it'd be cool if you could have both guns on the back and have a pistol in his hand or something. They actually, yeah, they did put a lot of detail into it. This was about $26. It's kind of expensive for the Cog Soldier, but oh well. So yeah, I recommend getting this figure. It's actually a pretty good figure. I like him a lot. So yeah, okay. So I'm gonna just call him B Carmine because this Cog Soldier has B Carmine's, well, mask, obviously. But yeah, he has a Cog symbol right on his chest. But yeah, this figure is pretty sick. This is one badass Cog Soldier, you know? Okay? Well, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this review, I guess. Sort of like a review. I don't know. Maybe. But yeah. Yeah, the feet and the knees swivel a little bit. Yeah. So, yeah. Peace.